Hello friends, this is Amit Kumar from Patna. Today we will read about exception of IPC section 300, that is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The trick to remember the exceptions under this head is very simple. PSC. PSC, Public Service Commission. Here P stands thrice, while the rest one. One P being provocation, the other private defense, and last public servant. While S stands for sudden fighting, C consent given by above 18 years old. So let us explain the exception of IPC section 300 one after another. The first P being provocation. Guys, provocation should be sudden and grave. Provocation means instigation. It should not be voluntary caused. It should not be voluntary generated. So let us learn it with an example. Suppose X gives sudden and grave provocation to A, and out of this sudden and grave provocation, A fires at X but mistakenly hits C, who is out of the sight of A, standing beside X. So when A fires at X but mistakenly hits C, taking away C's life, here A will be liable under culpable homicide charge, because whatever he did out of sudden and grave provocation given by X. The second being private defense. Excess use of private defense is the full sentence. If we read through whatever written in law paper, we will not understand. So let us learn it with an example. Private defense. Suppose A comes to be for hand fighting. A must have some antagonism. A must be annoyed. So in order to retaliate, he went to B for hand fighting. Seeing A coming towards B, B got scared and he drew out pistol from his vest and shoots at A, taking away his life. Here B will be liable under culpable homicide. He will not be liable, he will not be charged under murder section. So B was using excessive use of private defense. A was simply coming for hand fighting. In return, B shot him down. So one has private defense for his life and property, but he cannot go for that much extent. Public servant. So public servant, when doing lawful exercise of his duty, so during lawful exercise of his duty, if he takes away the life of anyone, he will be charged under culpable homicide, not under murder. Suppose, let us learn it with an example. Suppose one agitating mob is trying to lynch another mob and police resorted to lathi charge, killing some of them. Then he will be charged under culpable homicide, not under murder. The second last, S, sudden fighting. Sudden fighting, in order to explain sudden fighting, let us take an example of college life where many times you see students from two groups fight against each other, and sometimes it so happens that the member of one group kills another group. So that time the students do not come or do not go for fighting premeditating the things. The fighting breaks out suddenly, and out of heat of passion of that moment, one group of college student kills another. So he will be liable for culpable homicide, he will not be liable for murder. And the last being consent. If consent is given by above 18 years old, let us learn it with an example. Apple. Suppose two persons are there, A and B. B has given consent to A to shoot the apple carrying on his head. A opens fire but mistakenly hits B. He did not hit apple, in place he hit B, taking away his life. Here A will be liable under culpable homicide. Murder charges will not be framed against him. So PSC, I conclude it again. PSC, simply you learn PSC, Public Service Commission, explaining all the exception of section 300. Thank you, gentlemen.